Good morning to all. This is for class 5th maths. Class 5th. Today we are going to start our new exercise 4th A. See, this exercise depends upon board mass. So first of all, you should be clear about board mass. What is board mass and how it will help to solve such type of questions. See, whenever a question is coming of simplify, that question has to be solved with the help of board mass. Now, what is board mass? First of all, I should make you aware about board mass. Board mass, the full form of board mass is B for bracket, O for off, D for divide, M multiply, A for addition and S for subtraction. So whenever a question is coming of simplify, we always have to do such type of questions with the help of board mass. Board mass means first of all we have to solve the bracket, then off, then divide, then multiply, then addition and then subtraction. We have to follow this sequentially. Now let us come to question number 1. First A part. It is simplify, so how you have to solve it. See, simplify means in a questions there are more than one sign are coming. If more than one sign are coming, then we have to apply board mass in such type of questions. So according to board mass you have to solve this. Here is the solution. See, in board mass, first of all bracket is coming, so there is no bracket. Then off is coming, so there is no off in the question. Then divide is coming, there is divide in this question. So we have to solve this part only. This will be written as it is. After dividing you got 30, then this 30 is written as it is, and after divide there is multiply. So we will multiply both the numbers and we will get our final answer, that is 9 into 8. So likewise you have to solve this. Now the remaining part of question 1 are your homework. You have to try it by your own. Now second question, A part C, I am going to give this explanation. Again the question carries more than one sign. So now we will apply board mass on this question. First of all bracket is coming. Now in this question there is no bracket, so leave bracket. Now off is coming, so in this question there is no off, so leave off also. Now divide is coming. See, there are two divides. We have to do both the divide in single line. This one and then this one. So after dividing these numbers you will get 34, then minus, then after dividing these numbers you will get 150. Then the rest part of the question has to be written as it is. If we are not solving that part, so we have to write that part as it is. Now in this line C, now divide is also over, then multiply is coming according to board mass. Now here is multiplication, so we will solve this part, then the remaining part will be written as it is. So 34 minus 150 plus, after multiply we will get the answer 5976. So you will write like this. Now coming on to this line, multiply is also over, then after multiply addition is coming, so we will add the numbers. So you all know the rule how to add. If there are two numbers of same sign, that will be added together. So you will find here 34 and 5976. These both are of same sign, so you will add both the numbers, then you will get 6010 minus 150. Then after subtracting both the numbers you will get your final answer, and that is 5860. So this is how you have to solve the questions of simplify by applying board mass. Hope this is clear to all. Now rest part of question number 2 is your homework. You have to do by your own. Now coming on to question number 3. Let me explain you C part of question number 3. Here is the question. Now this is also simplify, and in this question more than one sign is coming. So again we will apply BODMAS in this question. How you will solve this? According to BODMAS, first of all bracket is coming. So here is our bracket. So we will solve this. After multiplying both the numbers you will get 12,096. Then rest of the part you have to write as it is, because we are not solving this, so this has to be written as it is. Now in this bracket has solved. Now see this line. After bracket off is coming. So here it is off. So you will solve this part, and you all know off means multiply. So you will multiply 21 into 16 and you will get the answer 336. This will be written as it is. Then after off, divide is coming. So you will divide both the numbers and you will get your final answer, that is 36. Now coming on to next question, that is question number 4, true false. In this, how you will write true false? See, there are two parts in this question, LHS and RHS, that is left hand side and right hand side. So you have to solve both the parts, and if their answer are coming equal, then the answer is true, otherwise the answer will be false. Now let me explain you one part of this question. I am doing question 4th C part for you. See, this is the question. Then we will solve both the parts. Again the question carries more than one sign, so we will apply BODMAS in it. So according to BODMAS, first is bracket. Bracket is not in the question, so leave bracket. Then it is off. There is no off in the question, so you will leave off. Then third is division. Yes, there is divide in this question here. So you will divide these and you will get the answer 2. 75 will be written as it is. Now after division there is multiplication. So you will multiply both the numbers and you will get your answer 150. Similarly RHS. First of all bracket. Then first of all you will solve this. Your answer will come 2. Then multiply is there. You will multiply both the numbers and you will get your answer 150. Now you will find that LHS and RHS both have same answer. So that's why our answer will be true. If both answer would be different, then we have to write here false. Hope you all understood now how you have to do question number 4. So rest part tried by your own. This is your homework. Now coming on to question number 5. Let me explain you. It is also simplified, so it also has to be done by the BODMAS only. So let me explain you question number 5 D part, how it has to be solved. See, this is the question for 5th D part. Then how you have to solve this? First of all we have to solve bracket. Then again you will find there are many brackets, so all the brackets has to be solved at once only. But first of all we will solve a small bracket, then curly bracket. So in a small bracket, first of all it is 700 divided by 10. So you will solve this, then you will got answer 70 minus, then curly bracket, then inside small brackets are there. So you have to solve both the brackets at a time. In first bracket it is 12 into 8. So your answer will be 96. Then divide. Then second bracket 34 minus 10 is there. So after subtracting you will get 24. Now you will solve this curly bracket. So 70 will be written as it is. Now in curly bracket there are 96 divide 24. So after dividing both the numbers you will get 4. Now curly bracket also solved. Now it is very simple, 70 minus 4, then your answer will be 66. So this is your final answer. So this is how you have to do the whole exercise. The whole exercise depend upon board mass only. Apply board mass and do stepwise. You will get all the answers correctly. Now coming on to next page, page number 30. There is review worksheet 1. See, this is the revision of what you did in previous chapters. So all these questions in review worksheet you have to do by your own. These are just a revision of what you did in previous chapter, and I had explained you all the chapters previous. So now these questions you have to attempt by yourself and you have to do it. This is also your homework of both the pages, page number 30 and page number 31 as well. These are simple questions. All these are revision. So you can easily do all these questions. So this is your homework. Now let me give you the solution for question number 19. Find the number of seconds in a day. Means in this question he is asking how many seconds are there in a day. Now see, you have to find out how many seconds are there in a day. So first of all we have to find how many hours are there in a day. So one day there are 24 hours. Now in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So we will multiply 24 into 60, then we will get the number of minutes in a day. That is, in one day there are 1440 minutes. Now in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So in this minute, how many seconds will be there? So you will multiply this number by 60 and you will get the answer 86,400 seconds. So these are the number of seconds in a day. This is how you have to do question number 19. So only this question was different. Rest all questions are same as we did in previous exercise. So all these questions in review worksheet are your homework. You have to do it by your own. From next video I will provide you the explanation of chapter number 5. Thank you.